Hey guys, I have with me today Mao Red. I call it Mao Red. This is a red beer, which means it's a strong beer, and it's really I think the can design is so unique in itself that I can't help but falling in love with this even before I've sipped the drink today. Of course, I've had this before. I had it the other day, but I was not in. I'm happy. All right, guys. Let me just wipe this before I do this. Very good looking can. I need not repeat. Okay, it's begun. Well, all right. Cheers, guys. Cheers to everybody in the world. Cheers to myself, man. I don't know about anybody else. I hope you all are having a good time because that's all to do in life, man. If you're not having a good time, there's something wrong with you, man. Why are you boring yourself? Go have a good time, dude. Cheers. So yesterday we reviewed Daredevil. Like I said, Daredevil is a bit of a less smooth version of this. This is definitely smooth. It's very smooth for a strong beer. Now, once again, it has 6.7% alcohol, 6.2% alcohol to 8% alcohol. So it's between 6.2 and it's below 8% alcohol. So, and it costs 120 bucks. For 120 bucks, I say go get it. And I say that because having had this before, I know what the high is like and how good I feel after I have it. That's my review, guys. That's it. That's it. It's about done now. All strong beers will give you this, very bitter kind of an element, like a bitter kind of a taste, and this does the same thing. It's almost like a spicy chill, which is just beneath your taste buds, beneath your tongue, so to speak. And this one has a good one. My only concern right now is that this is my only remaining can of beer. So what am I gonna do? It's all right. I'll probably have some whiskey, man. I'll have to content myself with whiskey. But it's a good thing I don't have more beer. I don't like to have more than 2 beers at one time because it's disadvantageous to my health. I gain a lot of weight, in simple words. But one of these days, like I said at the beginning of this thing, that I feel the purpose of life is to have a good time. If you're not having a good time, then you're definitely doing something wrong. When I do go sober, this is for the future sober me. Dude, I know you're sober right now, but remember how good it felt to drink, And what's the use of living if you're not having a good time? So live it up, man. Go for it, dude. Go bonkers. Okay, this is all very over the top. And some of you are probably watching me for the first time. You're wondering, what is this bozo going on about? I would give this good marks for value for money. I think if you spend the extra 20 bucks and get this instead of getting the Daredevil, you'll be in good spirits. How does this compare with Storm, huh? How does this compare with Storm? Let's see. Honestly, Storm is a little better than this also. I don't know how they did it, how Kingfisher pulled a rabbit out of their hat, but Storm is better than this. But, my friends and enemies, one thing I forgot, dude. Storm was in a 650 ml bottle. So what I'll have to do, guys, and I think it's a good idea. Let me know if it's a good idea. I'm gonna bring a bottle of Storm, and I'm gonna bring a big ass bottle of Mao Red. Mao Red. I just call it Mao Red, man. Like I call Kingfisher Green. It's not even Kingfisher Green. It's Mao Red, right? I'm gonna bring a a bottle, 650 ml bottle of this if it's available. Plus, I'm gonna bring a 650 ml bottle of Storm, and we're gonna crack it up, bro. All right, guys. So let's talk terms of money. For 120 bucks, it's worth it. The taste is somewhere between 3.5 on 5, nothing more than that. It's a good high. I'm guessing I'm already high. I don't know why I'm high. I haven't even worked out today, but I'm very high today. It could be my drinking yesterday. So I ended up having about 8 or 9 whiskeys. I know that's sad after having those Daredevils. Did I have 8 or 9? Yeah, man. I had about 2 Chivises and I had about, 7 small, or or six small, gold labels. It was alright, dude. But yeah, man. And I did the worst thing then. I ended up having a bucket of ice cream, like a whole tub of ice cream. I'm crazy, man. So yeah, that's probably why I didn't work out today. I don't feel like working out today, and I feel generally lacking a bit of ambition. But dude, no regrets in life, man. Cheers. Let's finish this guy. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this one short. Thank you for watching. This is a really cool beer, you must get it. It's called Mao, and it's just called Mao. It's very unapologetic. It says Mao Premium 5-star taste. I wonder where this is manufactured, you know. It's manufactured somewhere in Bhiwadi, Alwar. Oh, good old Bhiwadi, Alwar. Oh. Contact us at Gurgaon. They have an email address. Dude, I'm gonna email them and I'm gonna be like, dude, send me all your beers so I can give you good reviews, man. Like genuine reviews, but good reviews, you know? Water, malted barley, rice, hops, yeast, CO2, ethyl alcohol, generated in process, contains permitted natural colors. Alright, dude, I'm sorry I didn't see the color of this one, but go get it, man. What are you waiting for? Now, there's something I did wrong in this video. I shot it in portrait where it should have been in landscape. I did something else. I hope it all comes out well. And alright guys, let's rock and roll. Have a good one, okay? Bye. Bye now.
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू